Hey guys, thanks for stopping in and watching. Give us a thumbs up if you would. Subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today we're going to pull the cylinders off right there where my thumb's at so we can repack them. Let's get them taken off and we'll get back to the shop and get some more footage of us repacking them for y'all. Alright guys, we're out here at the Backhoe. A case 480C. We're fixing to snatch these cylinders off so we can repack them. And it is cold for me today. It's 35 degrees and mist and rain. So we're gonna snatch these off and we're gonna carry them back to the shop and repack them. Hope y'all enjoy. All right, we got the cylinders off. Put gloves over the end of them just to try to keep moisture out of it. Got that one off the same way. Just had to remove a 9/16 wrench fit. It was a 3/8 bolt that held the pin in place. And on this side, your pin was right there the same, but there was a C-clip that was on the back side, right back there, that you had to get off. Pretty simple. We're gonna head to the shop now and we can do more recording when we get to the shop. All right, y'all, we got it on the bench. Fixing to pull the end off. It's 1 1/8 inch. We got a 3/4 impact there. We're gonna break it down and bring y'all along with us. All right, buddy, let's take it off. Or break it loose, just break it loose, don't run it all the way out. Oh, the almighty dang. Hold on, we gotta put it in the vise. All right, we got it in the vise now, y'all. Take 2. Let's see if it'll hold it now. Oh man, that baby there is tight. Probably got red Loctite on it. Y'all, that baby had to have Loctite on it. I'll be glad. I want to see the threads when it comes out. See all that red Loctite, y'all? I could smell it just when he got it finally coming. You could smell it in the air. I knew it had to be full of Loctite. Alright guys, this is the tool that we ordered, or my father-in-law ordered, to take these apart. And it's, to me, it's kind of aggravating to use, because when you put your pull handle in the hole and it sticks up, nothing stays in line. And if you tighten that there bolt up, once you make it fit, that will make it easier. It's my first time using it, but I like to be honest with y'all guys, and to me, that was not easier than 24-inch channel locks or a 24-inch pipe wrench. No, I'm just telling you, being honest with you. But it might work good for breaking them loose, But as far as keep rebiting and turning, I didn't like it. All right, tap it off, pitch it. Right, you gotta keep it the way it goes so we can take all the seals off and match them up with the new ones. All right, this is the kit that tool there come in. Now I think that right there is gonna be pretty awesome there. Twist them seals, the ones you heat, the hard one to go on the inside. That's gonna be very neat, I believe. That's gonna make it easier. That alone is gonna make the kit a plus, I believe. Here's a new seal kit. Alright, what we do is once we get it tore down, we go through and match all your new parts up with your old parts so you'll know which piece goes where before you start, and then you know if anything's missing before you get to that step. Alright, we're going to put you in probably a little time lapse here where you can see what we're doing. This seal that goes down inside, if you'll heat that in water or in oil, it makes it a lot flexibler to fold it to get it in. We're fixing to let you see us putting it in. Let's try it again. Alright, now I gotta figure out how to get the tool back out. Alright, she snapped in. Can y'all see it? Well, that tool there, that actually worked. That made that process a lot easier. So that's a thumbs up on that tool. Alright guys, I'm not sure if I'm pressing it straight, so I don't want to mess it up, so I'm going to tap it in like we always do. Just walk around. Walk around it, buddy. Better watch my fingers. Go around the other side. There you go.
If I beat right there.
Oh. Looking good, y'all. All right, all the seals is on. All the seals is in. Now we're gonna oil it up. I like to put a little oil on it. Help it slide back over the cylinder, the ram. So maybe we won't have as less chance of tearing the seal up. Maybe. All right. The cap's back on. Now we got to put the piston on the end of the shaft. All right, guys. Let's put the... She's bottomed out, just that easy. Now we're gonna put some Loctite on it, but we ain't gonna put Loctite like it was before. I would say that's more than enough. I think you can see that in the camera. Yeah, see, I would say that's more than enough. Watch it back loose on me, then I'd be eating my words and have to rebuild it again. That's my luck. All right, let's get the impact on it. All right, guys, we still got it in the vise holding it. All right, run it on up, buddy. That should be good. All right, guys, that's how we repack a cylinder. We're gonna do the other one. We might film a little bit of it, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And one more thing, y'all, while I got you here, I'm trying to find the crack. You see the crack? Like in your ring, when you go to put this in back in your cylinder, make sure you turn one crack, like say at 3 o'clock over there on the bottom, and turn your other crack, you know, just make them so they don't line up, so it don't give it a straight passage for oil to bypass. That's just the way that we do it. Wanted to put that in for you.